Um, Good day. I am Alon J. Gabasan from DSIS 41. And today I'm going to demonstrate um, our capstone entitled Kmart Ordering Store. As you can see in my screen, I do have now the website that is needed to demonstrate. But before we demonstrate first, um, let me tackle first the previous discussion we have discussed last last presentation. Um, in the previous discussion, I have shown you the additions, which is whenever I whenever I added a product into cart, it can update the product quantity in its cart, whether it be there is so many product in the cart. In the previous discussion, uh, I do have a problem regarding the session variable of the product itself in the cart. So I added some function into it so that it can update the product quantity into its supposedly product. Next one is upon registering in upon registering in your account. um, I've added a function where it can give an OTP authentication, one-time password, okay, into our user, which is will be sent into their email. Then whenever the OTP key or token have been sent into our customer or our customer, we they can now um, authenticate their account, so that we will know that it is a person or they are using a working email. And as we in the back end as well, I have added the inventory on how we can collect the most most valuable customer whenever they have purchased so many products or they have so many orders in their cart. And in the transaction panel, I have added the printout Excel, which is whenever the owner or the user in the back end wants the information regarding the sales that day, or whenever the date was, whenever the date they want, it will retrieve and then will be converted into Excel as well. um, ano pa ba? Actually, in the front end, lastly, I have added the print receipt, because the customer have a privilege to download their receipt offline whenever, because upon receiving the ordered products, they needed to show the invoice receipt to our user in the back end, which is the Kmart staff. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the updated version on what the panel is requested, and also new functions that I have added. So for now, let's first go into sign up, where I will show you the terms and conditions that I have added because it is requested by our panelists. So upon sign up, I do have here a button, or not a button, a checkbox, which is will be checked. Okay, whenever the checkbox in our terms and condition hasn't been checked, the button next won't be available, which is disabled. Whether it be you wanted it to enter successfully, but you needed to click this. So I will first show you what my terms and conditions are. So as you can see here, my terms and conditions, which is last updated March 4, 2022, agreement to terms first, table of contents. As you can see in the modal, it showed the agreement to terms of our Kmart ordering store. We can also see here another terms in terms of having what does he call it, conditions. Okay, about the user registration, user representation, products. We make we'll now going to the example number 5, which is the product. We make every effort to display as accurately as possible, which is in here. Yan, purchase and agreement. We accept the following forms of payment, which is PayPal. Yan. And also in here we have added our informations regarding the website, which is its domain name, its address, phone number, and my Gmail account if they have questions regarding our website. So now that we are done in our accept terms and conditions, I am now going to show you wait. Okay, I am now going to show you this. Dallas. As you can see in here, my account Dallas, username Dallas, has now been redirected to our website store. So it means that it is now authenticated. So first let's proceed on showing the invoice receipt that I have added here the receipt number, which is in here. I have added the receipt number in here. And so now let me first make a transaction. I do want to buy some foods for our dinner, so I'm going to buy this and that. And now that I have 2 products in my cart, we will now proceed on place ordering our products. Now that we have our products in here, as you can see, I've just ordered 2 products which cost 158, which is the Odeng fish cake at the lobster balls. So for now, I am going to pay at the counter. If okay, I'm going to pay at the counter, and Dallas Norton, and Dallas, my address, my email address, okay, my phone number, and as you can see in here as well, the checkbox. If it isn't checked, the button confirm isn't available or disabled. But if you check, it will be available and can now ready to confirm. As you can see in here, for purchase successfully, invoice receipt sent to alrenj1@gmail.com. So I am now going to my Gmail account, which is in here, my alrenj1@gmail.com. So as you can see in here, I have here my new email, which is in here. Dear customer, this is the official receipt for purchasing in Kmart ordering store. Kindly present this invoice receipt upon claiming your ordered products. Once you claim the ordered products,